Welcome to Sri Lanka. We visited the 9 Arc Bridge, which is located between the Ella and Demodara railway station. As the easiest way to get to the bridge is by a tuk-tuk ride, we also went on a tuk-tuk. On the way to the bridge, our trishaw faced with a tire puncture. The driver didn't have an extra wheel, but there were so many other tuk-tuk drivers helped him by giving him their tuk-tuk extra wheels and spanners. Another tuk-tuk driver took us to the bridge as the tuk-tuk drivers were very keen that we should view the 12:30 train. You can see here how people are helping the tuk-tuk driver. At last, we reached the 9 Arc Bridge. You can see here there are 9 arches. It is a 30-meter high bridge and built by British. And it is built entirely from rocks, bricks and cement with no use of steel or metals throughout the structure. We were so excited when we heard the horn of the train signaling that it was time for the people to move away from the railway line on the bridge.